What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this water frame portrait effect in Photoshop in just a few clicks. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You can grab this template from the Envato Elements page linked in the video description. By signing up for Envato Elements, you get access to this particular template and thousands of additional add-ons, plugins and templates for Photoshop and other creative apps. The download process is quick and easy. Once downloaded, you'll find the file in your Downloads folder, usually compressed. On a Windows PC, right-click the zip file and choose to extract it in your Downloads folder. To unzip the file on your Mac, simply double-click it. After extracting the file, a new folder will open up containing the template file. You will find 3 different Photoshop files in the extracted folder, each offering a variation of the water frame effect. For this tutorial, we will focus on the first variant. Drag and drop this file into your Photoshop project. Keep in mind that the project's loading time may vary depending on your computer's performance. Once the Photoshop interface is visible, you'll be presented with the water frame portrait effect, ready to be applied to your artwork. Navigate to the Layers section in Photoshop. Find this smart object and double-click it to open a new tab. This tab will display a canvas with a placeholder image. You can ignore this placeholder. Instead, drag and drop your artwork onto the canvas, adjusting it to match the dimensions of the canvas for a seamless look. After positioning and adjusting your artwork, hit Enter. Then, click on the eye icon in the bottom right corner of the window to make the existing layer invisible. Finally, use Ctrl and S on Windows or Command and S on Mac to save your file. Return to the original Photoshop file on the previous tab to see the water frame effect applied to your art piece. Once you're happy with the changes, it's time to save your project. Head to File in the toolbar and select Save a Copy. Next, rename the file and change the file type to PNG if you're exporting the image with a transparent background, or JPEG if you kept the background. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.